GM guys, this is a quick walkthrough of how to use Otaku and researching and trading meme coins. So basically Otaku is an AI agent that help you make profitable trades and do your research 10 times faster. So all you just have to do is highlight the token address of your choice and you can either choose to buy, swap the token or you can either choose to swap the token or make research on this token. So I don't really trust this token. So I want to like make a little bit research on this particular token, this guy called. And all I just have to do is highlight and ask the AI, what do you think this token or not? Okay, what do you think about the token? Should I eat this token or not? And the AI is going to do research for you. But keep in mind, the AI result you are still you're a human being. This is just like a co-pilot, and yeah. So basically, back to all time high. Don't aim this into this token. This is a hard pass and run. So basically, it's fast and yeah. This token is a trap. It's a classic rogue effort. So this is a real token. David called the real token today, and I think the guys that created this token worked it. So okay, let's go to a standard token, which is dog with heart token. It's very popular meme token and funny meme. So okay, who's the creator of this token? Let's ask should we buy this about this token? So let's see. Should we buy this token? What do you think about this token? Okay, you should buy. If you understand the risks, be prepared to lose your entire and you're not really paying. Should you buy? But not forget this okay, the hype dies and stuff like that. So concluding, if you're looking to dip into this vlog, is as if I bet be among this liquidities winners, you're still planning a high risk game. The weak concentration. Okay. So basically what do you say about this 48% of the supply? Wow, it's like a little bit, but this is like a standard token. My period of analysis lead. Okay, liquidity. Should I buy the parts? Pay attention to this. Income availability. This is okay. Okay, I think this token I've made enough research on this token. I can just like choose to buy the token or not. So I'll just highlight and buy. Okay, I want to buy 0.00, let's say $1 worth of this token. This is a big meme token. I can choose to buy. I can just buy by highlighting the token address and simply buying. So how much do I want to buy? Let me buy like a dollar, not up to $1. Let's just put 0.51 to make it $1, and let's just swap. In the meantime, I'm gonna check out this token. Okay, successful. That fast. So all about Otaku is all about making faster trade, faster research, and very simple to use Otaku. It's a Chrome extension. It follows you wherever you go, whether Telegram. So far you're on the web, Otaku is with you, or deck screener, anywhere you go, Otaku is with you on the web. Thank you very much.